Here's a professionally written article for your YouTube channel Auto Big One, optimized for engagement and clarity. It highlights the 2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class, focusing on power, luxury, and modern convenience, perfect for narration or video description. Title: 2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class, Power, Luxury, and Modern Convenience. Description: Welcome back to Auto Big One, your go-to source for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the all-new 2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class, a masterpiece of German engineering that blends timeless elegance with futuristic technology. Buckle up as we explore what makes this luxury sedan a standout in 2025. Intro: The E-Class has long been a symbol of sophistication, and the 2025 model raises the bar even higher. With a sleek new design, cutting-edge tech, and unmatched comfort, this car redefines what it means to drive in style. Power and performance. Under the hood, the 2025 E-Class offers a range of powerful engine options. A turbocharged 2.0-liter inline-4 with mild hybrid support for seamless performance and better fuel efficiency. For thrill seekers, the E450 features a 3.0-liter inline-6 with EQ boost, delivering an exhilarating 375 horsepower and lightning-quick acceleration. Smooth 9G-tronic automatic transmission and 4MATIC all-wheel drive ensure total control and a dynamic driving experience. Whether cruising through the city or dominating the highway, the E-Class is built to impress. Luxury redefined. Step inside the cabin and you're welcomed into a world of pure elegance. MBUX Superscreen. A massive digital interface stretching across the dash, giving driver and passenger their own high-resolution displays. Ambient lighting, premium leather, and handcrafted materials create an environment that's both modern and ultra-comfortable. Active multi-contour seats with massage functions make long drives a pleasure. This isn't just a car, it's a personal luxury suite on wheels. Smart tech and modern convenience. Mercedes didn't hold back on the tech front. AI-driven voice assistant and gesture controls bring the future into the present. The new MBUX infotainment system with third-party app support, like TikTok, Zoom, and more, keeps you connected on the go. Augmented reality navigation, adaptive cruise control, and advanced driver assist features make driving smarter and safer than ever. From remote start via your phone to over-the-air updates, convenience is always just a tap away. Conclusion: The 2025 Mercedes-Benz E-Class is more than just a car, it's a statement. A statement of power, luxury, and innovation. Whether you're a tech lover, a performance enthusiast, or someone who simply appreciates the finer things in life, the new E-Class is built for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more deep dives into the hottest cars of 2025 and beyond, only on Auto Big One. Would you like a video script or short reels caption version as well?